In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete your Temu account permanently. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So in order to delete our Temu account, you must first open up the Temu app and then sign into your account. From there, we can go to the U tab at the bottom and we'll be able to see settings related to our account. So what we want to do from here is go to the top right corner and click that icon, and that will actually take us to our settings. From here, you'll see this writing at the top telling you how your account is protected, and there's three icons. One of those on the left hand side is account security, and we're going to click on that. So from here, we get taken to the account security page, and we just need to scroll down to the very bottom of the page. From there, we'll see delete your Temu account as an option, and we can click on that. From here, it tells you how to delete your Temu account, and it gives you a little message about submitting a request to delete your account. So in order to do it, you must read through this message, and as long as everything is okay, you can click I want to delete my Temu account, and then you can click that continue button at the very bottom of your screen, and that will actually go on to delete your Temu account permanently. So that's how you can delete your Temu account. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.